Today I'm going to show you how to back up your hosting a website step by step so you can save a copy of your files and protect your site before making big changes. This is a really important habit for any website owner because backups can save you a lot of time, stress, and even money if something goes wrong. Whether you're updating your website, testing new plugins, changing design settings, or just want peace of mind, knowing how to create a backup is essential. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple hosting and website tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the website section. From there, go to the dashboard for the website you want to back up. If you manage more than one site, make sure you choose the correct one because the backup will apply to that specific website. After opening the website dashboard, look for the Files option. Click on that and then select Backups. This is where Hostinger stores the backup tools and download options for your website. If you've never used this before, don't worry. The layout is pretty straightforward once you know where to look. Inside the Backups section, you'll usually see options related to restoring or downloading your website data. For this tutorial, we want to save a copy of the site, so look for the option that says Download Website. In some cases, you may also see a restore and a download option depending on your plan or backup settings. The key thing is to choose the download option so you can keep a local copy of your website files. Once you click Download Website, Hostinger will begin preparing the backup package. This may take a little bit of time depending on the size of your website. Larger websites with more files, images, and content may take longer, so be patient while the backup is generated. If your site is small, it may finish fairly quickly. When the backup is ready, download the file and save it somewhere secure on your computer or in cloud storage. I always recommend keeping backups in more than one safe place, because that gives you an extra layer of protection. You can also label the file with the date, so it's easier to find later if you ever need to restore it. And that's it. You've successfully backed up your Hostinger website. This is one of those simple tasks that can make a huge difference if your site ever runs into a problem. It's always better to have a backup and not need it than to need one and not have it. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more Hostinger and website management tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.